So ladies and gentlemen, SMMA or AIAA, the ABCDEF, there's so many acronyms these days. There's so many online business models you can start that I get it. It can be confusing to know which direction you should go. What if I told you that you don't need to actually choose a business model at the start? Why should you get onto the highway before you're ready to drive fast? It's important to start on the side roads, get confident with some of the essential digital skills that you need to generate money online. If you're just getting started in this world of generating digitally sourced income, it's so important to master a few important skills before starting a business, before trying to do work for clients. You need to know your shit. You need to know what you're doing and how you're going to do it and how you're going to get results. So the two biggest players in the game right now, SMMA and AIAA, social media marketing agency and the AI automation agency. Social media marketing is focused mainly on social media strategy, client management, and content creation. It's potentially very lucrative, but so competitive these days. You need a good understanding of social media marketing strategies, as well as content creation, copywriting, ad strategy, everything like that. The other side of the coin that's very popular right now is AI automation agency. Now, this has a much higher barrier to entry because it's not as easy to break into. You need a strong background in understanding these AI technologies that have surfaced in the past few years. You need to understand how you can implement them into businesses in order to help them make more money, make their systems more efficient. One of the things that I would say about this is it's not really recommended for beginners. You could have a really great AI automation agency that does everything that an AI automation agency should do, but if you find a business, especially a smaller business, that doesn't have their foundational system solidified in terms of client acquisition, in terms of service delivery, in terms of the processes that you would be coming to automate as an AI automation agency, if those foundational systems aren't set up correctly, their system is going to fail when AI is introduced. And that won't be on you, but it will reflect on you as the AI automation agency, especially if they're paying you the big bucks to get stuff done, but their foundational systems aren't optimized to the point where an AI automation agency could benefit. It would be very hard to integrate an AI automation agency with a smaller business where an SMMA could potentially help them out big time. An AI automation agency could be sort of a drain for money that they don't need to be spending at that stage. I'll make more videos covering that in the future. It's a little bit of a dense topic, especially when it comes to actually applying AI in a practical way. There's so much that you can do these days, but you don't want to try plugging in AI where a foundational system doesn't already work at the base level. The social media marketing agency is definitely a more accessible business model for beginners. It's easier to break into. The foundational skills required for an SMMA are notably lower than the foundational skills required for an AI automation agency. Now, although not easy, there's still a baseline. There's still digital skills that you need to have before even considering starting an agency at all, whether it be an AI automation agency or a social media marketing agency or a DCE agency or an LGA agency or a AAA agency. The foundational skills that you need are very similar. You need to have digital skills that you can monetize. That's the key. That's the essence of this video. Now, whether or not you're starting an AI automation agency, using AI tools is going to form the baseline of what you do in 2023 and beyond. Let's face it, folks, the world has changed. This is not the old world plus AI that we're living in. This is a whole new world. Everything has changed now that AI is mainstream. You need to leverage it to your advantage and use AI tools to bring your own business and your own digital skills to the next level. Everything that you do, from copyright to content creation to creative application, can be bolstered with AI. Some of the foundational skills that you will need to know before getting into an online business model, things that you need to focus on developing yourself as an individual before launching a business, are these. You can use Canva and various other AI tools to create compelling visuals, motion graphics, logos, advertisements, editing videos. All of this can be done within Canva. Most people don't know the true power of it. You need to understand the basics of putting up websites using platforms like ClickFunnels, Go High Level, Kartra. Websites like these can be used to create web funnels that can drive business for your clients. It doesn't matter if it's a social media marketing agency or an AI automation agency. Both can feed into that skill set. You need to understand those before you even think about starting an agency. That's the essentials. It's the bread and butter of digital marketing. Knowing tools like Notion for time management, creating systems, developing processes, writing all this down so that when it does come time to bring somebody else on board, you have everything documented so that they can follow your systems that you've already set up. A lot of entrepreneurship comes down to creating great systems. Things that you want to automate for other people, you should start by automating in your own business. Having a digital skills toolbox that you've mastered before attempting to start a business is going to be your key to success in 2023 and beyond. Lots more content coming on this topic soon. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.